Hi and welcome to Crafting with Family Unit. I've had a few friends reach out asking how I make these acrylic dog bone ornaments, so I thought I'd share the process with you. These are a lot of fun to make with your favorite glitter, and for these I've used holographic glitter that sparkles like there's no tomorrow. I made a dog bone ornament that says Willow for my sister, but there's two fluffy friends in that house and I'm going to make another one for her other little one called Millie. I'm going to make Millie's ornament with silver holographic glitter, and I'm going to use UV Resin by Let's Resin. I'm also going to use a plastic medicine cup, gloves to protect my hands, an acrylic dog bone ornament, a weeding tool, a popsicle stick, and a silicone brush along with a UV lamp. The first thing I'm going to do is put on my gloves to protect my hands and then add just over 25 cc's of resin to my medicine cup. Using my weeding tool, I'm going to remove that protective cover that comes on the acrylic dog bone, but only on one side. I want to keep one side covered in case the resin runs over the edge. I'm adding a little glitter to the resin and stirring it together with the popsicle stick. I do this a little bit different than some others, so hang with me for a minute. Once the glitter is mixed in nicely with the resin, I'll start adding it to the acrylic and spreading it around. You can use either a popsicle stick or a silicone brush, your choice. Starting with one of the corner circles, I'm going to add the resin to the center of that circle and push the resin out towards the side. The resin doesn't want to go over the side, so if you're very careful, you shouldn't have a problem. And I'm just going to keep adding resin until the entire acrylic is covered. Then I'm going to use a lighter to pop any bubbles. I'm going to go around the acrylic several times, looking at it at different angles, using my lights, moving it around, and then adding more resin where needed and making sure the resin is pushed all the way to all the sides. Now this is where I may do things just a little bit different than others. Because one coat of glitter mixed with resin doesn't quite give the acrylic full coverage that I like, I sprinkle a little more glitter on top before covering the acrylic with the UV lamp, and then I let the lamp work its magic for 99 seconds. This looks great, but I really want a nice shine on top of that glitter, so I'm going to go ahead and add a clear coat of resin the same way I did before without the glitter mixed in, and then put that under the lamp to let it set. That shine is awesome. Now I've used my Cricut Joy Express to cut the vinyl that says Millie along with some paw prints. Using transfer tape, I'll add these to the acrylic where I want them. how cute is this turning out? I love it. The last step is to seal the vinyl with a layer of resin the same way we did the back. I love how this turned out, and I'll add a ribbon to it to complete the ornament. These two look great. I love the sparkle. I hope you found this helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment.